Hello friends, we have here gear pump Rexroth 1 part number 0510625013. I don't know displacement. I have to figure out the displacement. I lose the nuts. Have two nuts and the other two nuts to fix it in the motor or in other stage pump. We have fixed it, we have loose out the nuts. This is the internal part of the gear pump. It's supposed to be 350 bars. We have leakage by corrosion it lose displacement and bar at the same time. We have two ways to calculate the gear pump guide to the gears. Any gear could do the job. Any gear. Any gear, we could take any gear and measure its quarter. No, its height. The height is 31.5 millimeter. And the internal, the barrel internal, from the biggest and the narrowest quarter of it, as you see, it will be 37 millimeter, and the big is 69 millimeter. That is the conclusions. The caliper is not right good. So the first method to calculate the displacement is not quite right. It could be give us wrong conclusions to the displacement. Give us here 16 liter per minute. The caliper tool is have wrong displacement, have wrong sizes. I'm sorry. So we go to the second method. We know that the gear pump is Rexroth gear pump. We could download the PDF of gear pump. It could easily write down the part number of the pump and in Google search. At the end, it give us the full data. It is right direction and the shape of the outer internal and the outer displacement. Everything about it you can take. Here we suggest a new one. It will be another number, but it do the same job and the same displacement and the same bar, and we change the flank. Thank you.